Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can create a meeting link using Microsoft Teams. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So you can create a meeting link on Microsoft Teams very easily. All you have to do is once you're in here in the Teams chat, you can just click on the calendar option. Once you're here, you can see this button which says new meeting. Click on it. And here you can fill in all the necessary details about the meeting. Let's say you can give this a name. And once you're satisfied with all the details, you can even enter the name or the email of the people that you want to add to this meet directly, so they don't have to, you don't have to send them a link separately. Meets will directly email them using their email or a phone number. You can share it easily. Once you've done that, click on save. And once you tap on save, the meeting will be created successfully, and as you can see, it has given me a copy link, and also I can share this on my Google Calendar. I copy the link and that's it. The link is now copied. I can share it with all the people I want to invite to the meet. You can also start a meeting by clicking on meet now. This immediately starts a meet, and you can add participants after starting the meet. This is less scheduled, more of a emergency meet, so you can use this option as well. Works pretty fine. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.